Welcome Primary 6. I am Ms. Nermeen Saeed, your science teacher for Primary 6. Today we will study Unit 4, Lesson 1, the Nervous System, Part 1. Primary 6. Do you remember our body systems? Our body systems has many systems like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, urinary system, and nervous system. In this unit, we will study our nervous system. Nervous system is a communication and controlling body system. We use our nervous system to communicate and control our organs in our body. So we call the nervous system communication and controlling body system. Nervous system is communication and controlling body system. And nervous system is very important to our body because it controls and regulates all vital processes and receive information from surrounding and make our body respond to it. Also, nervous system responsible for knowing things, if it's hot or cold, sweet or bitter, or rough or smooth. And also adjusts the responses of emotions, like sad or happy, angry or calm. And nervous system responsible for many functions like moving, feeding, digestion, and breathing. So nervous system is very important. And now Primary 6. Do you remember what is the building unit of our body? We said that our body consists of system, and each system consists a group of organs, and each organ consists a group of tissue, and each tissue consists a group of cells. So cell is a building unit of our body. Cell is a building unit of our body. And the building unit of nervous system, we called it nerve cell or neuron. So nerve cell or neuron is a building unit of nervous system. Building unit of nervous system. So if I ask you what is the building unit of nervous system, the answer will be nerve cell or neuron. And Primary 6, this is the picture of nerve cell. In this figure, you can see that nerve cell consists of two main parts, cell body and axon. This part is called cell body and this part is called axon. So nerve cell or neuron consists of cell body and axon. Cell body and axon. This cell body consists of what? The liquid. In it, it's called cytoplasm, and this circle is nucleus, and the outer membrane is called plasma membrane, and this branches is called dendrites. So cell body consists of cytoplasm, nucleus, plasma membrane, and dendrites. Again, Primary 6, cell body consists of cytoplasm, nucleus, plasma membrane, and dendrites. This dendrites is very important. These branches which extend from cell body is called dendrites, and this is very important because dendrites connected to another cell body to form synapse. These dendrites, these branches is connected to another dendrites in another cell body to form synapse. So number 1, cell body consists of cytoplasm, nucleus, plasma membrane, and dendrites. And look here, number 2 is called axon. This part is called axon. This axon is a cylindrical axis. Axon is cylindrical axis covered with fatty layer. Covered with fatty layer. And this layer we called it myelin sheath. We called it myelin sheath. So axon is cylindrical axis. Axon is cylindrical axis covered with fatty layer and called myelin sheath. And the end of axon is called axon terminal. Axon terminal. Again, Primary 6. This part is called axon, and axon is a cylindrical axis covered with fatty layer, which is called myelin sheath. And the end of axon is called axon terminal. This axon terminal connected to our muscle. This axon terminal connected to our muscle. Look at this figure. This is a real picture or a real figure for nerve cell. This is the cell body, and this is an axon, an axon covered with fatty layer. This is called myelin sheath, and the end of axon is axon terminal. This axon terminal is connected to our muscle. So again, primary 6 cell body consists of what? Number 1, nucleus, cytoplasm, plasma membrane, and dendrites. And dendrites are branches extending from cell body and connected to other neurons form synapse. And number 2, axon is a cylindrical axis covered with fatty layer called myelin sheath, and axon end with axon terminal, which connected to muscle to form synapse. Primary 6, nervous system is very big. So we divided nervous system into two main systems, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Nervous system, we divided it into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system divided into cranial nerve and spinal nerve, while central nervous system divided into brain and spinal cord. Also, we divided brain into cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Thank you, primary 6.